U.S. indices quiet in overnight electronic holiday trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100, of course, is going to be respecting the fact that it is Labor Day in the United States, but there was a little bit of overnight electronic out of market futures trading, which of course affects the CFD market. The Nasdaq 100 has gone back and forth after selling off on Friday. I wouldn't read too much into this, but what I would pay attention to is the uptrend line, the 50-day EMA, and the 23,250 level, all as potential support. If we break down below the 50-day EMA, then I think we're getting pretty close to some type of pullback or perhaps give back from the almost constant upward pressure. Quite frankly, that would actually make a lot of sense, but we also could bounce and just head back towards 23,700. I am expecting a little bit of a correction here fairly soon. I just can't tell you the exact day. It will be apparent by the 50-day EMA, and at that point we could drop down to the 22,250 level, but we have to wait and see if the market actually does that. The Dow Jones 30 has initially rallied a little bit during the trading session overnight, but then gave back the gains. We are simply consolidating at this point, and it does make a certain amount of sense that we will continue to pay close attention to the 45,000 level. The 45,000 level, of course, was previous resistance, so it would make a certain amount of sense that we should see it as support based on market memory. I do like the idea of buying pullbacks, and we will just simply have to wait to see if there is a correction here, but 45,000 is an area where I think you find a lot of value. If we break above 45,750, then maybe we go looking to 46,000 and beyond, but right now it looks like we aren't in a huge hurry to go anywhere. The S&P 500 has shown itself to be pretty choppy overnight in electronic trading as we continue to focus on the 6,500 level as massive resistance. If we can break above the 6,500 level, then it opens up the possibility of a move to the 6,600 level. Short-term pullbacks, I think, are very possible, all the way down to about 6,350, where at that point in time, we'll start to focus on the 50-day EMA. Again, I expect some type of correction sometime in the next several weeks, but I don't think it's going to be life-altering or trend-changing. I just think that we are getting a little tired. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.